2, 3. Cheers, guys. Your hotel. Gonna give you guys a quick
left
little tour.
here, we have the bathroom.
Nice. Alright, what's all this real quick? Our sink. These are jet spa.
Okay, babe.
Nice.
We have the bathroom, the shower here.
Check it out.
Nice.
Pretty roomy. Nice. So this is the view of the room. Pretty nice so far, guys. So we got 2 queens, right?
We have 2
Good.
queens here.
Do you know if this couch turns into a bed?
No, I don't think it does.
I think it does. Yeah, I think it turns into a bed. And here, there should be a fridge with some cold ones. Yep.
Patio we have here. We have a really nice hammock.
Oh, nice. You wanna try getting into it? Nice. It's kind of dark right now because we got here late. But here's our view for right now. Pretty nice. Adrian living the life right here. Check out our view. Check out this view, guys. Infinity pool over there.
Is that the YouTuber with 10 million subscribers?
No, RedTube.
Yeah.
Where are we going, babe?
Xcaret Park, Xcaret.
It's the first spot. How long did it take to get here?
Like 20 minutes?
20
15
minutes. Yeah,
Not that
20
long.
minute shuttle ride.
Yeah.
Man, look at this one. He's asleep. That's crazy.
You should learn how to walk.
Pretty cool.
Oh, it's fun stuck in there.
Your feet, you think?
Yeah.
Where are we headed?
River.
River.
Okay.
Alright, this one says
You have to go through there, huh?
646 meters.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Jump in, park.
Cold.
Made it to the middle of our trip so far. Are you tired, Park?
Yeah.
AP?
Yeah.
No, it took like 40 minutes maybe? 30 minutes? Let's go.
Yeah, about 30 minutes.
Damn, how much was that?
Like 69 bucks.
69?
Oh, 69 pesos.
God damn. Oh my goodness, guys. Check it out. Super nice. We're at the rooftop, guys. The bar's closed, but we are at the rooftop. It's an infinity pool, guys. Pretty nice. Check it out. The bar right here, restaurant. What are you guys doing so early? Nice pose, bro. Check out the waterfall. Check out the scenery. Ready, hurry. 1, 2. Oh shit, hold on. Wow. Yeah, claro, okay. What's it called?
Bone marrow something. Achoo. And go.
We're at the bar again. God damn. Yes, boss. Bye, babe. Hi.
Sit down, please, guys.
Okay.
Are you okay? Let's go.
Wait right here. Do I go to locker? I'll be waiting right here.
Lockers, first class.
Where are we headed?
Monster trucks, baby.
Let's go. Now, you have any message to the front? You part of the game. Tequila team. Let's go! Everybody find us up! It's fun! It's fun!
High five! Team! Go win! Baby! One, two, three, kick! Team, we got one!
Nice!
We have no more drops.
Oh, really?
Play for the Rockets, okay?
Oh my god!
Babe, where we going?
We go on our last ride.
Which is?
Ziplining.
What is it called?
Zipline? I don't know what it's called. Adrian! Stop!
Zipline like a hawk.
This one's called the Hawk.
Where we at though?
We're at the Hawk. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. We're at the rooftop.
Cheers. Cheers.
Drink up, guys. Oh shit! Adrian is coming out. Okay.
attitude, guys.
Where are we going, guys?
Feet long.
Yeah.
You ever do deep sea fishing? To the show, thank you for coming and everything.
Thank you. Dinner with the homie.
My new friend.
Last day in Mexico, guys.
Bye, Mexico. Until next time.
What's up, guys?